Greetings, loyal viewers, and welcome back. And today on Gargantuas Reacts, we're going to be taking a look at a Vine compilation from a series that I've just recently started watching, and I will admit, it is definitely really funny. Undeniably flawed, but still funny. And that's especially shocking considering it's come from a video game that it was not very good. But regardless. It is Sonic Boom Vine's compilation from Sonic Animation, and in between two X's, one uppercase, one lowercase. I can't really say that without that sounding even weirder if I actually try to say the whole name. But regardless, without further ado, let's get it on. Smoke weed every day. Oh, it's gonna be that kind of Vine compilation, is it? Oh my god. Okay, we're already off to a good start.
I can't read.
Yep, it's that kind of Vine compilation. Oh my.
Is it so hard to believe Eggman might actually respect my talents?
Well, yeah. Wait, that came out wrong.
No!
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
Well, from what I've seen, these characters fuck up a lot. Forgive my dog. He's just being annoying. Fire! Oh god, no.
Said it yourself, bitch. We're the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oddly enough, I might like the game a little better if they made a reference to Guardians of the Galaxy.
What's up with you and Amy?
Oh, that is a very personal question.
This my shit. All the girls that...
I'm not Eggman. I'm Sonic.
He's pretending to be Sonic again.
Well, I'm not gonna be Amy this time.
What? That was just what? Oh hi, I'm flying my plane.
Dude, what up?
Boy, if you don't get...
Yeah, you're ruining his game. Oh man, too bad I don't know where my glasses are. My sunglasses, because I totally would have put them.
Go aggro, Brozilla. Can't help if I'm more handsome, styling, and totally faster than you.
You don't want to challenge Sonic in a speed race. Believe me, it'll not end well.
Evil, ruthless, dangerous, pitiless, remorseless monster. Thank goodness he's locked up for all eternity.
Yeah. Funny story. You might have accidentally unleashed him on the world. Really, nigga?
God. It is so jarring to go back and forth between clips from the TV show and the game, because the game looks pretty bad. I mean, don't get me wrong, the show doesn't look phenomenal, but at least it looks like a modern 3D cartoon, whereas, as many reviewers have pointed out, the video game looks like it belongs on the PS2, at best.
It would be better if I gave it a little boost.
And at best, it would be a late PS2 game.
Oh, I wasn't expecting company.
Yeah, I figured that out.
This nigga.
Oh god, they really made a dick joke.
That's a dumb idea.
Hey, lay off for egghead.
Oh yeah, what are you gonna do about it?
Give you a stern look and say, yeah, really?
Oh really?
Yeah, really?
Okay. Not really much else I can really say at the end here, but, because I pretty much have said quite a bit throughout the video, and I apologize if you people find that annoying, but, if you find that a little bit annoying, but hey, better to, get some of that out throughout the video rather than dumping it all in the end and prattling on, But yeah, this was really funny. This dude also did a second one, and maybe a third. I'd have to look that up, but there's definitely a second one. I'm definitely checking that out immediately afterwards, as well as maybe a few other Sonic-related compilations if they're as good as this one, which I hope they are, because this was really funny. I almost wish that they didn't have to include the ones from the video game, because like I said, the video game's really, really bad. And like I said, and I don't need to repeat what I said during the video, but let's just say the one thing I will once again say, and I stand by it, I probably would have liked the game a little bit better if they, at the very least, made a reference to Guardians of the Galaxy, but even then, that's only by a measly speck. Like, the game still would have been awful despite that. So, yeah, that's about all the time we got. If you liked the video, go ahead and comment, like, and or subscribe. If you have any other suggestions, leave some in the comment section below, and be sure to check out my Patreon account if you have the time. And as always, I'm King Gargantuas, and I'll see you all next time.